Hey folks, if you've ever dreamed of harvesting your own juicy pomegranates, stick around. I'm breaking down the essentials for pomegranate care, whether you're growing in your backyard, a pot, or even indoors. First up, light. Pomegranates crave sun. Give them at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. Growing indoors or in a shady spot, use full-spectrum grow lights for 10 to 12 hours daily. Here's a hack. Morning and midday sun gives the best color and sweetness, so aim for strong east or south exposure. Pomegranates love warmth, ideally 75 to 85 degrees during the day. They're tough, handling cold snaps down to 15 to 20 degree shocks when dormant, but young plants need protection from frost. In cold climates, overwinter your plant in a greenhouse, sunroom, or garage above freezing. Pro tip: give indoor plants a chill period around 40 to 50 degrees for a month in winter. It'll help them bloom better in spring. Next, soil. Use loamy, well-draining soil, half garden soil or compost, half coarse sand or perlite, plus a bit of aged manure or worm castings. Avoid heavy clay. Hack: add crushed eggshells or bone meal for a calcium and phosphorus boost for more flowers and fruit. Water deeply, not frequently. Keep soil evenly moist when flowering or setting fruit, but ease up as fruit ripens to concentrate sugars and reduce splitting. Mulch hack: use wood chips or straw 2 to 3 inches thick to keep moisture in, but don't let it touch the trunk. Fertilize 3 times a year: spring, after flowering, and midsummer if your plant's working hard. Use balanced fertilizer or go organic with compost tea, fish emulsion, or seaweed extract. Hack: a pinch of Epsom salt once or twice a year can make leaves greener and fruit sweeter. Prune in late winter or early spring. Remove dead wood, crossing branches, and suckers at the base. Aim for an open vase-like shape for light and airflow. For bigger fruit, thin flowers so only a few stay on each branch. Watch for aphids, whiteflies, or scale. Neem oil or mild insecticidal soap works well. For fungal spots, boost airflow and avoid wetting leaves. Plant basil, marigold, or mint nearby to help keep bugs away naturally. Growing in containers, use a 15 to 20 gallon pot. Fertilize a bit more often and refresh the topsoil every spring. Fabric grow bags are great for root health and airflow. For sweeter, bigger fruit, water less, but don't let it dry out. A few weeks before harvest, keep moisture steady and try light root pruning before spring. Indoor growers, hand pollinate with a brush or gentle shake. Spray seaweed extract before blooming to boost fruit set. That's it. My top pomegranate care tips and hacks. Happy growing, and here's to your next bumper crop of ruby red poms.